Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I install this pre-plucked and pre-styled wig. The wig is from Alipearl and it's a glueless pre-braided wig, straight human hair, 13x4, pre-plucked, pre-styled, literally pre-everything. I usually braid my hair when installing wigs, but since my hair is straight I'm just going to put it in a bun in the back. Now I'm just going to put on a wig cap, and this will help the lace on the wig to look super seamless once it's installed. I'm not going to apply any glue or make this into a bald wig cap. I'm just going to get the wig straight out of the box and just put it on. I love that it has the band in the back, which is a non-slip and flexible band. This will help keep the wig in place and not fall. It also has clips on both sides. This will also ensure that the wig doesn't go anywhere, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm just adjusting the clips and placing them so that they can stay in place. I got this wig in 22 inches, but they come in shorter or longer versions. Like I mentioned before, it's pre-styled, so you literally do not have to do anything. It's pre-cut baby hair and handmade braids. It literally looks so natural and so real. It has pre-bleached knots with a upgraded bleach technology. It's a pre-cut lace, so it's easier to wear and less hairline trimming. Pre-plucked. And it also has an upgraded lace, which you guys will see it will melt into my skin and you could barely see the lace. It took me a little longer to install and actually put on this wig because I didn't braid my hair back and I just naturally have a lot of hair. So if I didn't have the bun in the back and decided to braid my hair down, it definitely would have been an easier and much faster install. Now I'm just going to fix up the baby hairs a little bit so that they could look more natural and seamless. I am using an edge control by Curl Days and I absolutely love this edge control. It's not too harsh, but it also gets the job done. Love, love, love that I literally did not have to do anything to this hair. The baby hairs had already came cut, so all I had to do was just brush them down and it was super quick to do and super easy. Now I'm just going to curl the hair, and I'm going to be doing this throughout the entire head, and I am using a flat iron to make these curls and they came out so flawless. I did cut some layers, a little bit of layers off camera, which is what you guys are seeing a little bit. It's not too drastic, but it just adds more volume to the hair and makes it flow better. But that is the final look. I am absolutely obsessed with this hair. It's so soft, so silky, smooth, looks natural. It literally looks like the hair is coming out of my scalp. I am obsessed. I will link the hair and the details down in the description box if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this video.